announcements. I don't have much to say for today, but guys, I have the word of the day, word of the week, more like it, and the word of the week is evaluate. You guys know what the word evaluate means? Can you put it in a sentence?
Evaluate your life plans.
Great. I'm sorry I don't have a prize for you, but you sure can pet Experiment 258 later. And also, guys, you may have seen these posters hanging around school, but they are selling, the school is going to be having Krispy Kreme donuts. You can buy them for $14. The last day to buy them is March 10th. And you can buy a dozen glazed donuts for $14 on March 10th. March 10th is the last day you can buy the donuts. And the last they will be coming March 12th. That's all I have for you guys today. See you guys next Friday. Hi guys, it's me, Gypsy, and we are going to the agriculture barn. I didn't even know our school had a barn, but we're gonna go see all the animals over there. So, let's go, let's go. Time to see the piggies. Gypsy, you, and we are at the barn, and I am touching a pig.
That's my pig, actually.
Yes, this is our cameraman Isaac's pig.
Yep. Yeah, she's
it's so big, and it's like rough. Like the hair on it is like rough. And stuff.
She's a person.
Oh, she. I'm sorry. Guys, I was looking over here. I'm like, oh my gosh, wow, this is messier than the last time we were here. And then I got closer to it. I'm like, wait, that looks like Experiment 258. It looks like it's fur. And then I look over, and then I see you. Experiment 258.
We'll take care of the lamb. We'll take the lamb out of the stall area and bring it out here, train